Hello everyone and welcome back to another video from Gaming Basics. In this video, I'm going to show you how to block on the Mortal Kombat game. So let's get started right away. First of all, just open up the Mortal Kombat game, and if you're opening it up for the first time, you will be taken through the tutorial. Within the tutorial section, you will be shown how you will be able to block attacks from your enemies. In case you missed it, then I'm going to show you just how you can do this. For this, let me just start up a new battle and start the fight. In order to block, all you need to do is tap on the screen with 2 fingers and hold it. While you do this, your character will bring both his hand on the front in order to block any attack that the opponent throws. And as you can see, while I'm holding this, the attacks that the enemies throw are not working. And there you have it. That is how easy it is to block on the Mortal Kombat game. If you find this video helpful, make sure you hit that like button and subscribe to our channel if you haven't done so already. Also ring that notification bell to never miss another update from us. Thank you for watching, and I will see you again in the next video.